All right, a first warning weather impact day. We saw rain throughout the Triad pretty much all day.
Look at those raindrops behind us. They've been falling everywhere, Dave.
I know. That's what happens. And we'll see that rain kind of continue into the overnight off and on as we go through overnight. It could become steady at some times. There's some rain over Alamance County. Is looking out over Graham, all decorated nice and pretty for everybody. You see the wet roadways, though, and that's the case over a good portion of the Piedmont at this hour, too. But you see some gaps in some of the rain back out to our west and southwest and some more in Tennessee and pushing into areas of western Tennessee right now too. And as we kind of close in here, you can see some heavier cells down over areas of Charlotte and pushing their way up towards the Triad. And then you'll see a few breaks as we go through this evening. They'll come back overnight as we go through the overnight, but some pretty moderate rains into areas of Rockingham, also into Guilford, Alamance County, down into Davidson County too. And then back out to the west, things starting to diminish a little bit for a little while, but the rains will be back as we go in through this evening off and on. So the overnight rain is one of our weather impacts. Should be ending around daybreak or so tomorrow morning, and the amounts will be anywhere upwards of an inch for some and a little bit less, maybe a half inch for some of you. Moderate to heavy at times overnight too, so you may get some ponding of water on some of the roadways even at this hour and into the overnight too. Well, 40s back out to the west. It's 55 in Winston-Salem, 58 in Burlington, and upper 40s over portions of the northern counties of North Carolina right along the Virginia border. This is about 3 a.m. And you can see here the rain becomes a little more sparse in some spots, but another heavier batch moves into the mountains in the overnight. And then as we get in towards daybreak or so, this is the front that's going to move through, and it will push on through with temperatures that will be warm out ahead of the front. We'll be in the 50s, maybe even an occasional 60. And then behind that, things cool rather quickly as we get on into the afternoon. So our high temperature tomorrow will probably be achieved in the morning hours as they fall off into the afternoon. We'll get sun in tomorrow, but temperatures in the afternoon will probably be in the low and mid 40s, and the winds are going to start to kick up too. We'll talk about that in a second. 44 Boone now, 55 in the Triad, 52 in Asheville, 60s down to our east, the Triangle, and down towards Fayetteville as well. Wind speeds right now, not a big deal at the moment, but tomorrow they will become a bigger deal as that front pushes through. There are the rains out there now, and then this is the front over the Midwest, and it's going to get on through here tomorrow morning. It will scour most of this rain out of the area, but it will bring in some clearing skies. It will also bring in some windy conditions out ahead of and behind the front too as we go through the day tomorrow. Here we are tomorrow morning. We could see wind gusts 25 to 30 miles per hour across the Piedmont, upwards to 40 to 45 miles per hour over the mountain counties, and then by the afternoon even higher than that. Mountain counties could see wind gusts upwards of 60 tomorrow, upwards of 45 around the foothill counties. We could see gusts in the Piedmont anywhere from 30 to 35 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. With the temperatures dropping into the 40s tomorrow afternoon, we might have some wind chill values tomorrow to deal with tomorrow too. Once the sun goes down tomorrow afternoon, the wind should start to diminish a little bit more, but with those wind totals in place, the probability of seeing some high winds, areas of Patrick, Surrey, and also into Wilkes County, a wind advisory where they could see those gusts upwards of 45 from 7 a.m. tomorrow until 10 o'clock tomorrow night. So that's why that wind advisory is in effect. And then a high wind warning for the mountain counties. That's in effect until 10 o'clock from 7 a.m. tomorrow till 10 o'clock tomorrow night, where they could see wind gusts there upwards of 60 miles per hour. Now, even though the immediate Piedmont Triad is not under any advisories for winds, doesn't mean it's not going to be windy here. We'll see wind gusting of 20 to 35 miles per hour across the Piedmont. Notice the leftover shower in the morning, then temperatures drop off into the afternoon. We'll have sunshine in place tomorrow afternoon, but the winds will be gusting. It'll feel a little colder out there. Foothills too, advisories out, and we've got some impact hours for that wind advisory. Their temperatures in the upper 40s tomorrow afternoon, and in the mountains they'll hold into the 30s, and those wind gusts high. We've got some alerts out there with those gusts up to 60 possible as we get on into tomorrow afternoon in the mountain counties. Gasparilla Bowl is Friday night. It's in Tampa, and it's going to be NC State and the Memphis Tigers taking it on. 2:30 kick tomorrow. Not at night. It'll be in the afternoon, but it'll be nice. Sunny. Temperatures into the mid 70s for you Wolfpack fans out there. Saturday and Sunday looking good right now. Low 50s on Saturday, upper 50s Sunday. That's the first day of winter, by the way. Then as we look on into Monday, temperatures a little cooler. Christmas Eve is Wednesday. Won't feel like it. It'll be 61, maybe a shower. Christmas Day right now, upper 50s to around 60, and a chance of a shower then too. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies.